Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a lasagna recipe, which is homemade. This is completely my recipe that I wanted to share with you guys. So let's get started. So let's gather up all the ingredients what we'll be using. First thing you'll need is some non-stick cooking spray, which we'll be using on the pan. You will need some shredded cheese. My favorite is the Colby Jack, the mixture. You can use any that you guys like. And use any pizza marinara sauce that we're going to be putting inside of the ground beef. So this is the one that I use. Next, we're going to use the ricotta. Ricotta cheese is the next ingredient. 2 to 3 pounds of ground beef. Okay, and I'll also be using black pepper, red chili powder, parsley, total seasoning, 5 gold, meat tenderizer, all-purpose seasoning salt, Maggi Juka seasoning, some salt, and we have our adobo, my favorite seasoning. It's like complete seasoning, it has everything in it, and it's so good. We'll also need 1 red onion and 1 egg. And we have a chopping board here, and I'm going to use that to chop up the onions. And then we also need a baking sheet. We're going to be using this. I use glass. You guys can also use aluminum foil trays and stuff. The pasta that you'll be using, I forgot to show you guys, is the lasagna sheets. You guys can use any. I got these from Publix. I washed out the ground beef a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our medium saucepan and we're going to heat some oil. So now we have some oil in our saucepan. Okay. We're going to let that get warm. We're also going to put some salt into the water. So let's do that. Alright guys, I'm back. I got the pasta sheets over here. I'm going to use 1 box for now. It started to boil up, so I'm going to go ahead and add the sheets. Now I think we have this pan over here. It is done. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw in the ground beef into the medium strips. I'm going to go ahead and just give it a mix. We're also going to add garlic and ginger. So you guys can either add fresh or you guys can use the one that you guys buy from the store. I actually made this one fresh at home. What I usually do is take garlic, I peel up the whole garlic and I put it in the blender and I make it the homemade style. So you can go ahead and put 1 teaspoon. We're also going to do 1 teaspoon of the ginger as well. 1 teaspoon. And go ahead and give it a mix. Mix it up. Alright, there goes the oven. We have a preheated oven. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in half a teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You guys can add more if you guys like it spicy. I just keep it less spicy because of my family. Next, we're gonna just be adding the Gouda perfect seasoning. I just like to add a bunch. I just add a random amount until I'm satisfied. You guys can add as much as you guys like. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, next I'm gonna be adding the adobo seasoning. I'm just gonna be adding like a little bit just for the color. Okay. Next we have seasoning salt. This, I like the taste of it, so I just like to use a lot. Okay. You guys can eyeball the ones that you sprinkle on. Okay. Next we're using meat tenderizer. This will tenderize the meat and it's seasoned well. This goes great with the lasagna sheets. We're gonna go ahead and give that a mix. Also, we need to add a little bit of salt. Don't add too much because all of the perfect seasoning we had, they also had a bit of salt in it, so we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Okay, we're gonna give that a mix. Okay, and almost done. We're gonna leave this on the stove covered for probably about 10 minutes. Okay. Now let's look at the pasta. Yes, I'm back. I had to change out the pot that I was using because I realized there's more pasta. So I went ahead and changed out the pot. And we're also going to slice up some onions. I'm going to add it right on top of it. There we have it. Just gotta mix it up. If you guys like it spicy, you guys can add more spices. But I like mine looking brownish like that. Okay, I think my pasta is cooked. Looks like they're about done. We're going to keep that lid on for a little bit. We're going to get a bowl and we're going to go ahead and we're going to make our layering with the ricotta, egg, and parsley. So we're going to go ahead and take our parsley. Strain. Now we're just going to put some oil so that way it doesn't get stuck to each other, and we're going to put it on the side for now until I'm done with the garlic. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add in the sauce, the red sauce that I showed you guys. I'm going to add just mix it up. Right here, we're going to layer up. I'm going to spray it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it with some olive oil non-stick spray. Make sure you guys get the sides as well. Okay. Next we're going to do is we're going to layer up the sheets here, the pasta sheets that you guys want. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in the sauce. First layer. Okay. You guys can add as much as you guys want. I like to add a good amount. I like to taste meat in every single bite. Okay. Okay, and then next we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some of our ricotta sauce, which I made earlier. go ahead and put it all over. It doesn't have to be even. You can just spread it around too. You guys can mix it as well if you guys want it. Next, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add in our cheese. I'm using the craft one that I showed you guys earlier. Here, we're gonna just sprinkle that on. Okay. Now we're gonna move on to the next layer. We're gonna keep adding. Set to go into the oven. Before we do that, what we're going to do is we're going to put on a timer and we're going to go ahead and cover this with an aluminum foil sheet. Okay, and then pop it in there. Okay, we're going to put this in for about 25 minutes. Now we have waited 15 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and take out the lasagna. Okay, we're going to bring it over here to the table so we can take a look at it. Okay, and this is the finished product, guys. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you guys like recipes like this, comment down below and I can go ahead and show you guys more of my recipes. And please subscribe and share this video.